What's up, my name's Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Umbrella Merge conflict error inside of Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. While most people say that a simple restart of your game can fix this, there is a bit more that you can do. First of all, make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date and Windows is up to date as well. Then restart your PC and try again. This could be caused by your internet or the server's internet. To check the server status, simply head across to the link in the description down below, which will take you across to Activision's server status. In here, select the correct game and make sure that it says all platforms online. Scroll down and select the platform that you're using, in my case, battle.net, and make sure to see that they haven't got a maintenance announcement or something similar on their Twitter. This doesn't, so I'll close out of it. It should be my internet connection. There's a couple more solutions that we can try. Number one, make sure that your Activision and Blizzard accounts are properly linked. Head across to the next link in the description down below, which will take you to this page here. Simply log in with your Activision account and then click Profile in the top right if you're not already taken to this page over here. When we get to this page, simply make sure your Battle.net account is linked, and if it's not and it says Link with Battle.net account, simply click the whole banner and log in with your Blizzard account. After linking your Blizzard and Activision accounts, things should work a bit better if they weren't linked before. Next up, if you're using a wireless internet connection, try connecting using a physical Ethernet cable. If you're still having issues and there's tons of devices on your network, try disconnecting some of those devices, as having a congested network could cause networking issues. And then finally, the last solution that I can think of is closing all other programs that could be using your internet. Hit Ctrl-Shift-Escape to bring up the task manager and simply go through each and every program on this list, closing each one that you know you can. After everything is closed, less programs should be using your internet and you should be able to play the game more stably. Hypothetically, you're still getting issues. If you have a subscription to a VPN, such as Nord, Express, or anything else, try connecting to a local VPN server and see if that fixes your issues. It could be a physical issue in, say, an undersea network cable between you and the server. By connecting to a VPN, you're more than likely going to get a different physical route to the server, meaning that you should be avoiding physical issues between you and said server. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you found something useful in it. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!